Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of no in the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021, because today it's actually Thursday. Yes, Thursday, October the 14th, 2021, and I've told you earlier we have only one regular Sudoku, no additional with extra puzzles. So I have decided to continue with the extra puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. And the second puzzle I will do is a Sudoku with 2 stars. This one will be number 3537. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus 4, 20, 22. Plus 4, 26 printed digits. Alright. And for a 2-star Sudoku, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve this Sudoku. Yes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number? The number. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 7. Interesting. Two. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers. In the third column, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, so what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, how about, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then 7, 5, and 8. 7, 5, and 8. Interesting. 5, 2, 5. Alright. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in the first column, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. boxes as a pair. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. We have a pair. 7 in one of those two boxes, and the 8 in the third column. 7 and 8 in the first column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 7 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 pair left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 6. How about 9, okay. Yeah. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. But we need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. Need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. Yeah, in this row. Well, we see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. Okay. Alright. 3, 2, 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. Alright. 8, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There, an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Alright. Then we have a pair. 2 and a 3 in this row. 2 and a 3 in a row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 and 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7, but 1 digit is left For the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. How about 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, and a 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 2 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 259, 259. And look, we have a 9 there, so no 9 in this box. There 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright, now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. There 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 1, 3, 3. 2 numbers left in this row, the third row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. How about 8, 5, 5, and a 9, 9. Okay. 8, 9, 9. Yes. No. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 7. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Then. How about 178. 178. 17. Interesting. 17. Here cannot be a 7. 7. Okay. 1, 1, 3. The last column. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 135. 135, and look, we have a 1 here, so wait. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. There also a 3, no 3 here. So the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 and a 5 are left. 1 and a 5. In the last column, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 8 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. Finish in 17 minutes. Yes, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.